Hello, welcome to Electronic Serviceman video blog. Hope to enjoy this new episode and I have hope that you will come back again. My name is Mark and I have many ideas, but if you have any comments and wishes, please write this under this movie or any movie. Very sorry by my Chinglish, but I am just learning. So those are my first movies after all, and hope to enjoy. Best regards. Enjoy watching. Leave the comment if you want. If you need, please subscribe my channel on YouTube, and see you next time. Bye. Hey and hello. Today we have a new episode. Yes, but maybe this will be new on my side, but it will be teardown. I bought a new device to my workshop. Device, it is a soldering station. Soldering station, maybe not welder or pace or something like this, but this is original AOYUE station, bought in AOYUE from Wrocław, Poland, of course. This is only one company which imports directly from AOYUE, from if I'm not mistaken, China. But why this company? First, those are cheap station, or more or less cheap. I'm sure that a lower price than AOYUE or Pace. And quality of these devices are good. For the price you pay for this, it is a very good price. So I think will be good. I have hot air station from AOYUE working few years and no problem at all. So I have welder, as you see, exactly 3 welders, but one is here, second is here, third is in my second workshop. So why this particular station? Why? Because this station is made for this station is made for lead-free soldering. Someone asked me why. As you see, it's a guarantee card. It is not without a stamp, because I know this company, this importer. You see data for this importer. I know owner of this company, so I do not need any stamps. By the way, this station is made for lead-free soldering. Someone of you will say what's different between well, and now. Sorry. I have trouble with my camera, so first my record went to basket, so some of the goods inside are unpacked. One more time, this is stand for soldering iron. As you see, it is very good stand. Here you have a
nice idea to mount soldering wire. Here you have a good quality power cord, power cable. It is very fat cable. And this is a handle for soldering tip. As you see, there is a plug and there is a handle. Handle is made from very hard plastic, so not bad idea. And the last thing is a power station. I think it's power station or soldering station. As you see, is heavy inside this transformer. So this is heavy station. This is good, but in my opinion it is good. This is made in AOYUE norm, so it is not very good idea, but this is new in electronics, this norm, so I will not comment this. Quality control sticker and 2 numbers. AOYUE station, original AOYUE station, always now always have 2 numbers, 1 green, 1 white. So let's plug it to station. Okay, screw it. Station has a sticker that broken, is void, but we will unscrew this, but I will check. This is a soldering tip to this station. This is special lead-free soldering tip. What's up different between soldering tip prepared to lead-free or lead process? We will talk later. Very good and small tip. If you want to know those tips in AOYUE, this is tip with thermo element inside, where thermo element is here located. So hitting this element almost instant hits a soldering element there. So this is quick. And of course this station has a lot of power to solder. Maybe this is not best device you can buy, but in my personal opinion it's one of the best. Of course, if you think about station with this price, because you can buy much very better. As you see, look, this beep, it means that soldering is 350, as you see. Almost instant. As for soldering station, it is very quick moment to hit element. You have regulation here. You can low down to 200 Celsius. It is lowest we can set. Value we can set. Here is correction for what we see and what we have on tip. We can calibrate this by itself. You see here what is the tip inside now. So as we see, soldering station works okay. What we can do now? Take it apart. Not okay. Power off. Okay. Screwdriver. Here's no. I think there is those 4 screws. Should do work. We shall see what is inside the station. Okay. We have sticker on the back, but I do not like stickers, so well, if this is good construction or bad construction, I do not know. But first we'll try set a camera. So you can see what I see. First, we have put cables and sockets here, as you see, radiators, simple device, controller, fuse, capacitor. This is a soldering station, so we don't have such special equipment inside. So this is not a special edition or something like this. So I do not think there will be as cosmic gate inside. But I like that we can unplug all. You shall see what is on controller mainboard. But I think there will be a microcontroller, a few displays, few transistors, and what more. Yes, as I thought, there is Atmel 89C2051 24 PU, quartz 12 MHz. There is, what is this? ADC, external ADC, so to measure temperature. Here is LM358. This is operational amplifier. Those three transistors are for driving those three LED. 74LS247. This will be what this will be. 1, 2, 3, 2. This drives LED displays, from what I see, or maybe no. 2 resistors. This multiplexing some device. Switches, buzzer to beep as you hear. This is a potentiometer to set the temperature, calibrate the temperature. So we do not see here any special equipment. So let's screw this back. This is not very unusual what I saw, but this is a Chinese device, so many people think that will be very bad quality inside, and this is new for such persons, because in China they can made very good quality electronic devices if a person who needs those devices will pay for it, of course. If we say that will be our important thing in production is price, they will make such production. We can see this on different models made by the same company, but not AOYUE, only PT, CT, or couple different marks, made by Tangi Electronics. I saw device made for such orders, and quality of this was awful. No plugs, no sometimes solder was touched, not soldered. No comment. Very big transformer, as I see. Inside transformer we have a fuse, thermal fuse. As you see, switch there is switch is connected by cables with protection. Here is a socket, power socket with protection from heating, shrinking tube. Inside I see a fuse. There is next fuse on mine PCB, on mine power PCB. Next thermal sensor is here. Fuse always protected cables. Cables are good quality. Nothing is connected by some accident. This is very good quality station. Okay, let's put it back. We do not see here more, so let's screw this back and check if this is working again. But from what I see, I don't expect any troubles with powering this device back. So if you need cheap but good quality station which you can use with lead-free soldering wire, I think this is one of the best ideas you can think about. Not because I know this company before, but simply you saw what I saw, how it's made. As for tip, my first tip in AOYUE station, I have almost 1.5 years, no trouble at all. Okay, 240 Celsius. We try measure temperature. and we shall see if I can do this. We shall see. Station shows 246 246 degrees, so let's put my measure 28, 27 here. Okay, maybe this is not very good idea, but as you see, 240. I do not know if you see my multimeter. Let's try to measure some temperature. This will be not exactly the same temperature, because this I can connect directly this. Oops. But as you see, and on this place we have 270 degrees, but this is not our tip when we touch a solder. So let's try here where we touch solder. This is 234. How I can touch this to show you temperature, real temperature? I can. Okay. Let's say that is 264. So this is too high. What we can do now is calibrate this device. The trouble is that when I connect two wires from sensor, I have too higher measure. But as you see, station is set to 350 Celsius, and my multimeter, when I touch this thermal element directly to surface of tip, soldering, the measurement is near that station shows. So I think I set this station more or less good to measure this, to calibrate this in good way. We should use a cross table when sensor is middle, and put this tip in some direct measurement. But in theory, those tips are checked and set in factory. But when I screw this by screwdriver, I simply want to know if this is hard to do, or is this easy to set this, calibrate this in workshop condition. My opinion is, if you have a multimeter, you have some time, you can do this without any trouble. As for soldering, let's try. I have a Kessler soldering wire. This is a lead-free soldering wire, which is made from three 5 AOYUE 3, yes, lead for wire assembly as in polymer, AOYUE 3.5. Yes, this is with silver soldering wire. So let's try. Our soldering iron is working with this. As you see, there is no trouble that to melt this. So it will be okay. Maybe not very some good station, but as I told, this is cheap station, and if we see this price of the device, I think it is a good machine. So this is my new AOYUE 2900 station, and you have been watching what looks inside, how melt solder, lead solder and lead free solder. So the choice is yours. I think it is good station for such money. If you need a very good station, you can always buy Weller or Pace. Let's try solder PCB. Yep, working. Here working, here working. Reset, working. Working. So my next episode will be how to solder in normal soldering station. I mean normal. One of those will be 2900. Second will be Weller soldering station. And hope to like this movie. I hope to see you again in next episode. So bye, and hope to see you again. Power off. This is this station has a function that when you do not use it, this device know about, because measuring temperature dispatch from tip. If tip is hot and the temperature is the same for time you set, it means you do not use the device and it will be sleep. One thing, this rubber. This is very good idea You do not need to wait to call this. You can off device, use this rubber and pull out tip. Put this to place that is in this stand, and you can put the new one, different one, what you want to do. This is nice invention. And power on device, wait few seconds, station made beep. Simply, you can work now. Temperature stability. As for such price, perfect. Goodbye, hope to hear you again, and ciao.